Okay, so get this right. AI is hitting the runway. We're talking AI in fashion.
Interesting.
Yeah, so we're going to deep dive into this case study all about a company. And they're looking for this fashion AI expert,
Yeah.
someone who can bridge algorithms and haute couture.
Oh, wow.
Crazy, right?
Yeah, that's a pretty unique skill set.
Totally. So what's really wild is this isn't just some little startup, right? This is a global SaaS company, and they work with everyone, leading tech companies, universities,
Oh, wow.
even governments.
Yeah.
They're shaping the future of AI, and they need someone special to help them.
Yeah, I mean, that client list really shows you the impact of their work, right? We're not just talking about some AI that recommends you a new pair of shoes.
Oh, no, no, no.
This is the kind of AI that could change how we design clothes, manufacture them, how we even buy them.
And they found this rock star
Yeah.
in 10 weeks. That's crazy fast.
10 weeks.
Wow. But okay, let's back up for a second. They weren't just looking for any tech person. This job posting was insane. They wanted a Ph.D.
Oh, really?
Yeah, experience with AGI. Do you know what AGI is?
Yeah. Artificial General Intelligence.
Yeah, the kind of AI that learns, and can solve problems like we do, like a human.
Right.
And then on top of that, they wanted a ton of publications too.
So they really wanted someone at the cutting edge of AI research.
Oh, for sure. It wasn't just about finding someone who could code, They needed someone who could understand the fashion industry too, the nuances.
Think about it. You're not just building algorithms, right? You're predicting trends.
Oh, yeah.
Understanding aesthetics, maybe even designing clothes with AI. That's crazy. It's such a specific niche.
It's where art meets science fiction. Great.
Totally.
So to find this unicorn, they start with this bespoke database of all these AI professionals in London. Now, this wasn't your average, LinkedIn list, right?
Oh, no, I bet.
This database was laser focused. Only people with experience in sales development within the AI industry.
So they already had a pre-vetted pool of talent.
It was a VIP club of AI sales experts all ready to go.
Right. And that's key, right? It shows how they really tailored their recruitment strategy. They weren't just casting a wide net.
Oh, absolutely not.
They knew exactly the kind of person they wanted, so they went right to the source.
It's smart, why waste time sifting through thousands of resumes, right?
Exactly.
But okay, even with a killer resume, that only gets you so far, right?
Yeah.
They put these candidates through this, get this, the Sales Experts Expert Evaluation Assessment. The name alone sounds intense.
I bet. I mean, remember, we're talking about high stakes here, right?
Right.
You can't just assume that a fancy title on a resume means someone can actually deliver.
Right, problem solve.
Yeah, problem solve, think creatively, handle pressure. They need to know this person can actually do the job,
You're right.
So yeah, specialized assessments like that, those are crucial for getting a real sense of someone's abilities, beyond just what's on paper.
Totally. And you won't believe this, but they narrowed it down from 1,019 candidates to just one.
What? 10-19 to 1.
I know, it's crazy, right?
That is a serious selection process.
They really went through everyone.
Yeah, wow. But the case study also mentioned a big challenge they faced.
Oh, what's it?
Finding someone with, not just the tech skills, but also a real passion for fashion.
That's a tough combo.
Yeah, I mean, it's not every day you find a data scientist who also sketches designs or obsesses over fabric swatches.
Yeah, it's not your typical Venn diagram overlap.
Exactly. I mean, that probably explains why the search was so difficult.
Yeah, totally. But they did find them. And in just 10 weeks.
That's pretty amazing considering.
Right. It all came down to this super efficient 3-stage interview process.
Oh, I see. So they were really prepared.
Yeah. They knew exactly what they were looking for,
Right.
So, okay, what can we take away from all this? What does this deep dive tell us?
It really highlights the need for specialized talent in AI, right? It's changing so rapidly.
Oh, for sure.
And the strategies that, worked maybe 10 years ago, they don't cut it anymore.
You got to be ahead of the curve.
Exactly. And this goes way beyond fashion. We're going to see this kind of hyper-specific recruitment across, all kinds of industries.
Yeah, it's the future of work is getting a couture makeover.
Totally. But here's something to think about, right? As AI gets even more sophisticated, will the skills that we're looking for today, will they even be relevant tomorrow, what new challenges and opportunities are going to pop up when we're recruiting for this like crazy new world of AI driven like everything. It's definitely something to watch.
Definitely something to watch.
Yeah.
So true. Well, thanks for breaking that all down. It's
Yeah.
definitely given me something to think about.
Of course. Yeah, it's a fascinating topic.
For sure. Well, that's all the time we have for this deep dive. Catch you next time.
Sounds good.
Bye.
See ya.